Alright guys, well this is it. Finally finished up and she's all buttoned up. Everything's wired up, everything's working properly. Did a test video today for daytime video and audio. Audio was awesome. Video clarity for the hacked IR lens looks really good in the daytime. It's really good focus, so hopefully the night test video tonight will prove to be the same. So alright, just wanted to show you the finished product, and let's see, here's what it looks like from the outside and the front. So it's got four 1-watt LEDs, and these top two are 120 degree and these are 90 degree on the bottom. Just wanted to try something different, see how it works out. Looks good in a darkened room, so we'll find out how it works out in the field or outdoors tonight. So anyways, well, that's it. Finished up and buttoned up. Critter getter board, video board. I put in I'm using this battery to run the lights and the audio, and I can test it by just pushing the button here. It tells me if it's got a full charge or not, and using this as an external 3.7 volt for the 3.7 volt in here, and it's been charged for over a month, and I've been testing the heck out of it, so that's working pretty good. So should last quite a while out in the field. Added a couple stickers, so I know what the dip switches are for. Put this on here for wiring, how I got everything wired up. So anyways, just thought I'd post that.